berries juicy and sweet. Orange is carrots, biscuits treat. Yellow is sunshine shining bright. Green is the grass so fresh and light. Rainbow, rainbow, bright and high, stretching colors in the sky. Sing along with biscuits, yay, we can learn them every day. Blue with the ocean deep and wide, purples for flowers side by side. Now you know the colors one by one. Sing it with biscuits, learning is fun. Rainbow, rainbow, bright and high, stretching colors